Hello students, Standard 6, Chapter number 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes. Now, in the previous sessions we learned about the angles and how to measure the angles. Now, in this session we will learn about the classification of triangles. Because the triangles are of different types. Now if you take different types of triangles such that in them all the angles are equal, or two angles are equal, or two sides are equal, or all the three angles different, then they have a spatial relation between the angles and the sides. So on the basis of that observation, some important results are extracted, and then I am going to explain you that things first, and then we will talk about the types of triangle according to the side and according to the measure of the angles. So first of all we will learn the important results. First, if all the angles of a triangle are equal, then its sides are also equal. So if you found a triangle such that in which all the angles have the same measure, means all the angles have 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees, then if you measure the sides of that triangle, then all the sides will have equal length. So three angles are equal, then the three sides of the triangle is also equal. And if you take reverse, if you take any triangle such that it's all the three sides are equal, if all the sides of a triangle are equal, then its angles are equal and each angle is of 60 degree. So if you have a triangle whose all the sides are equal, doesn't matter bigger triangle or a smaller triangle, then if the three sides are equal, then all the three angles are also equal and each angle will be of 60 degree. Doesn't matter the triangle is bigger one or a smaller one, any type. Then third, if two sides of a triangle are equal, then it has two equal angles. It says that if any triangle has two equal sides, then definitely in that triangle two angles will be equal. So three sides equal, then three angles are also equal. Two sides are equal, then it will have two angles also equal. Similarly, the reverse is also true. That if in a triangle, if two angles are equal, then it will have two sides also definitely equal. So this is the very important. And the last thing, if none of the sides of a triangle are equal, means all the sides are of different size, then all the angles will be also of a different measure. And also reverse, that if all the three angles are unequal, means all the angles have different measures, then you will notice that all the sides of that triangle will be unequal, means none of them will be of the same length. So if you remember this basic important results, it will be very useful in the study of geometry. Let's revise again. All the angles are equal, then all sides are also equal, and vice versa. If all sides are equal, then all angles will be also equal, and each angle will have measure 60 degree. Then if two sides of a triangle are equal, then it will have two equal angles also, and if two angles are equal, then it will have two sides also equal. And then lastly, if all the sides are unequal, then all the angles will have different measure, and the reverse also. All angles are different, unequal, then all the sides will be also unequal. Now we have to learn about the classification, means types of the angles according to the sides. We see here that there are three types of triangles we saw, in which maybe all three sides are equal, two sides are equal, or all sides are unequal. According to that, the triangle is classified into three types. First one, if a triangle having all three sides equal is called an equilateral triangle. Means all the sides have the same measure, say 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, or 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Then that triangle is known as an equilateral triangle. Equi means same, laterals means sides. So all the sides are equal, then it is known as equilateral triangle. Second, a triangle having two equal sides. Only two sides are equal, the third side is different, then that angle is known as isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle means having two sides equal, then it is known as isosceles triangle. And the last, a triangle having all the three unequal sides is known as scalene triangle. So if all the three sides have different measures, then it is known as a scalene triangle. So on the basis of sides, the triangle is classified into three: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. Equilateral means all the three sides are equal. Isosceles means any two sides are equal. Scalene triangles means all sides are unequal. Now, on the basis of the angles also the triangles are classified. So now types of triangles based on angles. Now, if all the three angles of a triangle is less than 90 degree, means all are acute angles. All the three angles of a triangle are acute angles, means less than 90 degree. Then that triangle is known as an acute angled triangle. So what is acute angled triangle? If all of the angles have measure less than 90 degree, means all the three angles are acute angles. Second thing, if one of the angle is 90 degree, if any one of the angle is a right angle, means 90 degree, any one, then that triangle is known as a right angled triangle. Then it is known as right angled triangle. And the last, a triangle in which any one is more than 90 degree. More than 90 degree, greater than 90 degree means one of the angle is obtuse angle. Then that triangle is known as obtuse angled triangle. So on the basis of angles, how many types of triangles are there? 3. Which are there? First is the acute angle, in which all the angles are less than 90 degree. Second, if one of the angle is 90 degree, means right angle, then it is known as a right angled triangle. And if one of the angle is greater than 90 degree, means an obtuse angle, then that triangle is known as obtuse angled triangle. Now we will start exercise 5.6. Question number 1 says, name the types of following triangles. It means that some of the measures or some relations are given, and according to that we have to find out which type of triangle is that according to the theory we learned in the previous. So a triangle with lengths of sides 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Now the 3 sides are given. So it can be either equilateral, isosceles or scalene triangle. Now we know that here all the 3 sides are of different size. Then which type of triangle is it? Obviously it is a scalene triangle. So we can write down it is a scalene triangle. So if you remember the theories, definitions, very easily we can write down. Triangle ABC with AB is equal to 8.7 centimeter, AC is equal to 7 centimeter and BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Here also you can see that all the sides are of different measures. So obviously it is also a scalene triangle. So it is a scalene triangle. C. Triangle PQR such that PQ is equal to QR is equal to RP is equal to 5 centimeter. What is the meaning of this? All the 3 sides are of the same size. Then which type of triangle is it that we learn? It is an equilateral triangle because all the 3 sides are same. So it is an equilateral triangle. D. In D it shows triangle DEF with measure angle D equals 90. With measure angle D is equal to 90 degree. Means one of the angle is right angle. So if one of the angle is right angle, what type of triangle is it? It is a right angled triangle. So it is a right angled triangle, or you can write down as it is a right triangle. In short, you can write down right triangle also. So when one of the angle is 90 degree, it is known as a right angled triangle or right triangle. Then E. Triangle XYZ with measure angle Y is equal to 90 degree, comma, and XY is equal to YZ. So here you can see that 90 degree means it's a right triangle also. Two sides are equal also, means isosceles also. So we can mix that. So we can say that it is isosceles right triangle. It is an isosceles right triangle. Because two sides are equal, so it is isosceles. One angle is 90 degrees, so it's a right angle triangle also. So we can combine them and write down that it is an isosceles right triangle. Means two sides are also equal and one of the angle is 90 degree also. F. Triangle LMN with measure angle L is equal to 30 degree, measure angle M is equal to 70 degree, and measure angle N is equal to 80 degree. Now check the measures of all the angles. Is any one of them is more than right angle, greater than right angle, greater than 90 degree? No. All angles have the measure less than 90 degree, less than a right angle. So which type of angle is it? It is an acute angle triangle because all the three angles are acute angles. So we can write down it is an acute angled triangle. So here the question number 2 is match the column, and it is related on what we learned today. So that I am giving you as homework. So here we are going to finish today's session. Will be followed by the PDF file. Any confusion, please write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.